display. So we buy this, they cut this, and then they clean this one. But I think I did not make a video already because my brain is so busy. My brain is so busy figuring out or something, like that. So I went there to buy wood. So this one. So, and then, oh yeah, the reason I did not took a video of cleaning the woods because these woods, as you can see, this woods is rough, right? So they need to make it clean. And I did not took a video because I went to the other store to buy the things like marine epoxy to use for fixing the boat, and the aluminum, I think iron nails. I don't know how what they call that, iron nails, or bronze nails, or aluminum nails, I don't know, but it's color I think that's a bronze nail because it's color red or copper, a colored copper like that. So that, I think that's a bronze nails that we bought yesterday. And I did not took a picture because I was like, I have many things in my mind. I wasn't able to think about to take a video every time that where I am. So yeah, aluminum, yeah, I think that is aluminum nails because it's a color brown or copper. So this one, uh, yeah, we have that. And then I need